One of the things that makes a really big difference on your YouTube channel is your branding strategy. When viewers arrive on a video, we want them to understand what the channel is about, the value that you provide as a creator, and the visual elements that tie the whole channel together. When it comes to a branding intro, you know, that little short video that might be an animated logo or a montage of you at work, even just the name of your channel, people get very confused about how to make it and how long it should be. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you an awesome tool called Placeit that will let you make your branding intro look amazing without spending a ton of money or time to do it. So let's do this. If we haven't met yet, my name is Karen Carr and I teach real estate agents how to attract clients rather than chase them. Because cold calling sucks and friends don't let friends cold call. And aren't we all friends here? Aww. Placeit is part of the Envato suite, so if you use Envato elements, you may already be familiar with it. They have so many different mock-ups and designs at a really, really great price point. They even have a free account. It has a limited amount of designs available, but hey, it's free. But if you choose their paid program, it's only $14.95 a month, or if you pay for the whole year up front, you save 50%. They have logo templates, t-shirt designs, mock-ups with computers and phones and iPads, business cards, posters, stationery, coffee mugs, promotional items, you name it, they probably have it. But of course, the thing that I love the most are all of their YouTube templates. So let's go make a branding intro. So here we are at Placeit.net. They do have a free account. They have a paid plan as well. And the difference is that with the free plan, it has fewer templates to choose from, but the paid plans are very affordable. It's $14.95 a month. And if you pay for the whole year up front, you get it at a 50% discount. Comes out to be $747 per month when you buy the whole year. But if you wanted to do the free account, you certainly can. So let's go to videos and we're going to say, show me the free videos. So there are not a ton of templates to choose from with the free plan. You can see that there are around, let's say 75 total. There are intro maker templates, YouTube templates, and then MP4 files. So altogether, it's a good amount of templates to choose from, but not as many as if you went with the paid plan. If we were to log in and go to my account, and if I went to YouTube videos with my paid plan, you will see that there are 1,300 results. So you get a handful of designs with the free plan. If you upgrade to the paid plan, you get 1,000,000. So you could go through and look at the intro maker, at the logo maker. You can scroll through however you like. The ones that I like the best are not the ones that are animated with a logo. It's more of it uses photos and videos. So I'm going to do YouTube intro minimalist, only because the ones that I've liked the best in the past were this particular format. Obviously, you choose whatever you like best. So let's look at this one right here. If you just mouse over it, you get to see a little preview of what it's going to look like. So I like that. It is 7 seconds long, but we can make it shorter. I definitely recommend that you keep your logo intro on the short side, less than 5 seconds, if at all possible. All of these things are modifiable. So let's say that the name of your channel was, how about Southern Living and Style? I'm just pulling that off the top of my head. So I would change the text to Southern Living and Style. Then I would replace the blank logo with my actual logo. So if I were to look for a logo and upload it, it's probably going to be a PNG version. Make sure that you do not upload a JPEG with a big white square behind it or a black square behind it. It just doesn't quite look as good. So let's say that we went with, I'm going to sort by, there we go. Let's do that one right there.
So you're going to upload it. It's going to say, do you want us to crop it? And in this case, yes, I want to make it bigger so it takes up more of the screen. I will say yes, crop. So now we have our text and our logo, but I don't love these colors. These are not my branding colors. So I will click on the drop-down list. I will either choose one from here, or if I say more, I can type in the hex code. So what if I said I want the text of the first page to be dark blue? I want the text on the second one to be yellow. And I want the text on the third one to be blue. Now it matches my logo colors. Then finally, these photos are all stock photos. So you would come in here and replace the photos. So what if I have a photo of Savannah? Okay, how about that one right there? There we go. Now see how I have the little gray and white dots on the side? That means that the photo does not fill the entire box. So I am going to use that slider to make it fill because I don't want to have empty space on either side. Then I would do the same thing for photo 2 and photo 3. If you preview this design and you don't love the photo, you can switch it out for something else. You can put them in a different order. It's very, very simple to do. Then it does have music playing. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, that is not at all something that I would choose for this. So you can either hit the pencil and pick something different, or you can say, let's do no music in the background at all. I'll pick something else once I'm inside my video editing program. And then last but not least, you would change the background color. So again, you can change them to whatever you like. Make them match your branding if you want. Just make sure that the background and the text are not the same color. Otherwise, you won't be able to tell them apart. And then remember when I said we could speed it up? So at the playback speed, I can have it at normal speed, which is 1. I can have it at half speed or 1.5 speed. So I'm going to try it at 1.5, and then I simply play it. Now, remember, this is being done on their server, and lots of other people are online at the same time as you. So it might say there are 30 people in line. It might say there's nobody in line, like what's happening right now. So it takes a few seconds to process your video, and then it will play it for you. And if you want to make any changes, you absolutely can.
Hey, are you liking this? Because if you do, I need you to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel because I put out new videos like this every single week. Okay, back to the tutorial.
And here we go. It starts to automatically play. Whoa, that went by really fast. It was only 4 seconds long. Let's play it one more time. Southern Living and Style. Okay, so the logo that I uploaded had the big white box behind it. It was not a PNG, and you can see that it doesn't look very good, right? So I'm going to pick one that does not have the big white box behind it. I also don't think that I like that original blue background on the first page. I find like it's a little bit hard to read. So I'm going to go through and mess with this a little bit. All I have to do is click the close box. I can replace the logo that I uploaded. And let's just say that I picked this one because it's right there and ready to go. Oh, it's too big. Okie dokie. So if I don't like that logo, I'm just going to hit replace. I'm going to pick a different logo. All right, this one says it is a PNG. I remember I did not like the background of the very first text layer. So what if I did the blue first and then the yellow second, and then, yeah, I like that better. I like that much better. So again, all I would have to do is play it, wait for it to process, and it's just about done processing. So it's going to play as soon as it's done here, and we'll take a look. So I like the blue, I like the yellow. It still has the white background. Okay, I will have to go in and figure out why my logo doesn't look right, but you'll see that it's now 4 seconds long, and that's exactly what I want it to be for my logo bumper. So now when I have it, I can either save it as a draft or I can just download it. And when you hit download, you're going to get a little notification that says your video is ready. Then you import it into your video editing software to use as you see fit.
So if you like to change up your branding elements now and then, and you don't want to have to pay a graphic designer to redo it for you every single time you just want to make a small change, Placeit just might be the perfect solution for you. Again, I will put the link down below if you'd like to give them a try and see what you think. I've been using Placeit for probably about a year at this point, and I love all of their templates that they have for YouTube, as well as ones that they have for Facebook and even Instagram stories. If you've been making videos for a while and you just don't feel like you're getting a lot of views, in this video right here, I go over the reason that no one is watching your videos and how to fix it pronto. So I'll see you on that video next.